Open the bobbin cover and then take out the bobbin case. Take out the empty bobbin. Okay, now let's install the bobbin. Hold the bobbin case like this way and hold the bobbin like Q. Now you can put the bobbin into the bobbin case. Okay, then let the bobbin thread go through the slot here, and then keep to pull the thread to go through the second slot. Okay, now you can see there's the tail here. Put the thread on the tail and twist for 1.5 circle. Okay, finished. Okay, now we can install back the bobbin. Keep this side match with this notch. And then click it. Here you need to pay attention. The bobbin thread should under the picker. It cannot be like this. So put the thread under the picker. And then close the bobbin cover.